Woman killed in Mandela Highway crash identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman killed in a multi-vehicle crash along the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine on Saturday has been identified. The deceased has been identified as Shadedra Williams of a Clarendon address. Police reports that at around 5:45 a.m., Williams was a passenger in a Mercedes-Benz SUV traveling on the highway heading to St. Catherine when the vehicle collided in the rear of a parked truck. As a result of the collision, the Benz careened and crashed into a Suzuki Vitara motor car that was traveling in the same direction. Williams suffered serious injuries and was pronounced dead at hospital. There were no other serious injuries according to the police.
At about 5:45 this morning, the police gathered that a SUV Benz motor car was traveling along the Nelson Mandela Highway, headed in a westerly direction towards Spanish Town. When on reaching the vicinity, just past the overhead bridge, what appeared to happen is that a truck was parked on the left side of the road on the hard shoulder, and the vehicle, that is the said SUV Benz motor car, collided with the right rear section of it. As a result of that, the vehicle spun and overturned and made connection with another motor car that was traveling in the same direction. Unfortunately, a lady that was traveling in the Benz motor car suffered serious injury and died as a result of the crash. There were no other serious injuries. We gather that the vehicles had just passed a speed check point at 6 miles. Investigation is being carried out to ascertain properly whether or not there was a manner of driving that amounts to driving and causing death by dangerous driving or manslaughter.
It is understood that Williams had earlier returned to the island from the United States, where she attended the University of South Florida and was just visiting the island. Head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Assistant Commissioner of Police Gary Mackenzie, said that investigations are ongoing to see whether the fatal crash was a result of dangerous driving. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.